Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I welcome all of you in the next video clip, which is for class 11th subject economics. Dear students, today we will take another measurement of central tendency, that is median. Yes, dear students, we have completed how we calculate the mean of any data. So today we will learn how we calculate the median of any data. Dear students, as far as the median of the data is concerned, it is a positional measurement of central tendency. It divides the data into two equal parts. 50% of the items of data are above the median and 50% items of the data are below the median. Yes, dear students, so we can say that median comprises of two parts, that it divides the data into two equal parts. One part comprising all values greater and the other all values less than the median. Yes, dear students, so how can we calculate the median of a data? I have taken here an example that how can we calculate the median of ungrouped data. So I have given and shown here an example which is calculate the median for the data, that is 4, 7, 8, 2, 9, 16, 12. Yes, dear students, how can we calculate the median of this data? There are certain steps which we must have to follow in order to find the median of any data. Yes, dear students, we will first here arrange, as I have written here, let us arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. जो आपके पास ये डाटा होता है, इसको आपने पहले क्या कर मीडियन निकालने से पहले क्या करना होता है, इसको ऑर्डर में लिखना होता है, either in ascending order or in descending order. There is not any restriction in ordering the data. You have two ways, either to arrange the data in ascending order or to arrange the data in descending order. But I have taken here in this example, I have also written here, let us arrange the data in ascending order. While this arranging the data in ascending order, we get data as first here will come 2, because 2 is the lowest in this data, the lowest, while arranging data in ascending order, so the lowest number will occur first, then the number more than 2 will occur, will take the second position. Similarly, at end we get the greatest value of the data. Yes, dear student, as I have shown here that how I have arranged the data in ascending order. Yes, dear students, now I will show you here that how many items are in the data, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That is why I have written here n, यानी कि इस डाटा में हमारा जो n है, n means number of atoms, कितने हमारे पास atoms हैं, कितने पास हमारे पास observations हैं, मैंने वो यहाँ पर नोट किया है. Here n is number of atoms, number of atoms हमारे पास जो है वो 7 है. If you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes, then we apply the median formula. Median formula is median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 atom in the series or data. Yes, dear students, here as I have shown here, n is 7, so I will write in place of n 7 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to, फिर इसकी मैं ये lowest form में लाऊंगा तो हमारे पास आएगा 4. That is fourth item of the data is our median. If I will go on counting, what is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, जो ये है ये हमारा fourth item है. तो fourth item कौन सा है हमारा, 8. अगर इस साइड भी आप गिनते जाएंगे तो फिर भी ये यही आएगा 1, 2, 3, 4, क्योंकि हमारा यहाँ पर जो फार्मूला में आ गया फोर्थ आइटम। अब हमने गिनना है या इस तरफ या इस तरफ, फोर्थ आइटम कौन सा आता है, वो फोर्थ आइटम दोनों तरफ से आता है 8, सो द मीडियन ऑफ द डाटा इज 8। Similarly, dear students, I have taken another example here to make the data clear. Yes, dear students, in order to make the concept clear, I have also shown another example here. Similarly, in the first example, I will also arrange the data in this second example in the ascending order. You can also arrange the data in descending order. There is no any restriction. Dear student, yes, while arranging the data in ascending order, here 3 will come first, then 18, 45, 47, 51, 62. Yes, dear students, here, now if we count how many atoms are in the data, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is why I have written here n is equal to 6. Median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. n के की जो जगह है इस पर हम लिखेंगे 6 प्लस हो गया प्लस 1 हो गया 1 डिवाइड बाई 2 हो गया 2, 6 प्लस 1 हो गया 7 डिवाइड बाई 2। जब हम 7 को डिवाइड 2 से करेंगे तो वो आएगा 3.5। दैट मीन्स 3.5 मीन्स थर्ड आइटम प्लस फिफ्थ आइटम ऑफ द सीरीज डिवाइडेड बाई 2 जो है हमारे पास ये। यस डियर स्टूडेंट्स, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ आइटम। यस डियर स्टूडेंट्स, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ आइटम जो आएगा हमारे पास, फिर हम इसकी थर्ड एंड फोर्थ आइटम जो है हमारा वो है 45 प्लस 47, इसको हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो जो आएगा वहाँ पर वो 46 आएगा। तो 46 इज द मीडियन ऑफ दिस डाटा। नाउ यू कैन टेक various examples in order to make this concept clear. If you would consult your textbook or the references, you can make the data, this idea more clear. Furthermore, if you have any query or any question about the same topic, you can either call me or you can pose the question through WhatsApp or through other this media. Thank you for your patience. Allah Hafiz Nasir.